Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete enter YouTube watch history all at once in computers and smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you on the respective computer. So on your respective computers, just open any web browser and just open the youtube.com website, and you will see its official website. And now on the left side you will see here one option, history, right? Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here clear all watch history. So if you click on it, then it will clear all the watch history here. So this is how you can do on your respective computer. Now let's jump to the smartphones. Now on your respective smartphone, you can either use a YouTube application or any web browser, but the tricks will still remain the same. So here I'm gonna use the YouTube application. You can use the web browser and open the mobile website of youtube.com. So here let me open a YouTube application. And now just click on this your YouTube profile icon, and now you will see here history, and now you can see here view all option. Just click on it. Now just click on this three dot icons. Now you will see here one option written clear all watch history, right? So you need to click on it. Now just click on this clear watch history again. Now you can see all the watch history has been cleared all at once. So by using these methods, you can easily delete enter YouTube watch history all at once in computers and smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.